I'm Engineer Renveduz, and this is Project Exceed, Extended Communication and Electronic Signal Enhancement and Development of UAV System for Emergency Response Situation. Taking a look at our NSDB, during disaster situations, there is a need for a long-distance, real-time, multi-point, and detailed area communication infrastructure for disaster risk reduction response in remote and congested areas, especially whenever cell sites are down. Thus, our solution for that would be the development of an unmanned aerial vehicle swarm infrastructure with delay-tolerant ad hoc communication link for disaster risk reduction response. The use of delay-tolerant ad hoc networking technologies will enhance the range of the communication link even if the environmental conditions are challenging. Moreover, the use of UAV swarm algorithms will enhance the capabilities of a single drone such as range, reliability, and robustness. And the benefit of this would be the development of a real-time communications network, enhanced UAV capabilities, and at the same time, UVS traffic management. Project Exceed has three main objectives. The first objective is to develop and test the Exceed system, swarm splash drones, that is capable for long duration flights for emergency response. Then, our next task is to develop and test Exceed Swarm Flying Ad-hoc Network that would support telecommunication, data transfer, and network security. And finally, the last objective is to organize and implement Exceed Swarm behavior and support the following: role assignment, positioning, as well as aggregation. And along with the slide are the 6 P's for our project. In addition, the research about drones and flying ad hoc networks are current and highly publishable. This is why we can publish significant number of journals and conference publications. In events of emergency response situations, normally cell sites and other forms of communications are down. Project Exceed will take advantage of the use of multiple drones as communication infrastructure whenever disaster strikes. The main service that our system can provide would be the disaster response communication access, even though cell sites and other form of communications are down, wherein we provide communication links between hospitals, fire stations, LGUs, and other emergency response personnel by using our app during disaster situation. It can also be used for traffic routing and management, traffic prioritization, coordination, as well as communication access for the masses. One of the main advantages of our system is that our system can provide communication link to remote areas through the use of multiple drones. A use case for our system is that it can monitor distant areas such as volcanoes. This can be done whenever our system is not being used for disaster response. Shown in this slide is the work plan for our project. Our project will last for 2 years with an output which is a prototype of the working Exceed system. At the same time, we plan to commercialize this later on down the line. These are the potential impacts of Project Exceed. So Project Exceed could provide jobs, expertise, and global industry competitiveness. Moreover, this is a first-to-market technology wherein it has a lot of potential when it comes to commercialization. Moreover, whenever natural disaster strikes, it can help reduce the effect of disasters, especially in the economy. For the society, Project Exceed will help improve the mobility of emergency response units, as well as it would increase public awareness, and it would be a reliable communication network during disaster, and it would be an efficient disaster risk reduction response.
Thank you for listening and have a wonderful day.